Sophie's play day. And what are we doing today, Elsa?
We're gonna make a meal making kitchen set.
Oh,
Play-Doh!
Play-Doh. Are you ready, Elsa?
Yes.
Yes, mini Elsa. And big Elsa is gonna open this cool Play-Doh. Okay, Elsa, make me something good. What are you gonna make me today? So we opened everything, and here is what it comes with. Stove, a little working stove, a little pan, molds for our turkey leg and our steak.
And more molds.
More molds, our broccoli pizza,
Toasters.
our toasters. Sophie, what colors you got there? And it comes with yellow, white, green, and brown. And some rolling pin, utensils, all that. All right, create me something. Sophie's already creating me something. She's cooking. Elsa, sorry. Elsa is cooking us something today.
Look at the recipe.
Oh, there's recipe book. Oh, that's so cool. Now you guys can make us. Elsa's gonna make us. Let's make something easy. How about, what is that? It's toast with jam. Let's make toast with jam, guys. All right, make us some toast. Elsa's gonna make us some toast. Elsa, big Elsa made us some jam and bread. Let's have a try.
My hair.
Oh, and little Elsa made us a steak that she fried on the fry pan. Yum! Let's have a bite. Oh, this looks so good. Nom 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 nom. Thank you. All right. What else should we make?
I think those.
Pull it up here. Put the Play-Doh in here, I think. Is that how you do it? A big Elsa?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now put it in here. Fix it the other way. This way. There. Oh, sorry. Let's see if baby Elsa gets it. There you go. Now push it up. Very good. Little Elsa made us a little toast. Yummy. There you go. I'll put it on the plate. Is that my toast? Thank you. Thank you. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Elsa, why don't you use the mold? I would like a chicken leg, please. Can I have a chicken leg? Chicken leg. Use brown. Like cooked meat. Plate. And then chicken nugget? Did you say chicken nugget? This will be a drumstick. Yum, look at that. Looks like I have my dinner prepared for today. I don't have to cook dinner tonight because Elsa made it for us. Thank you. Big Elsa is making some bacon and eggs in her stove. Looks like a yummy breakfast. Look what big Elsa made us. Some bacon and broccoli and eggs for breakfast. Her complete creation is perfection. Baby Elsa, what are you making? Oh my god, is that Olaf? Oh no, Olaf's in pieces. Are you gonna fry him up? You are? Oh no, friends, look it's a bunch of Olaf's body parts. He's being cooked by Elsa. Oh no.
Chicken in the oven.
Oh, big Elsa has chicken in the oven.
No.
Good. Oh, baby Elsa wants to put some dough. She's making bread. Are you gonna make bread and put it in the oven? We have some dough here. Is this a piece of cake?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, baby Elsa. Bye, friends. Thank you for watching. Our dinner is complete with breakfast for tomorrow. Look at that. Good job, guys.